all the women where they this world, una they try you. Woman, as you still, you are a girl in this Africa, you dey your papa house. When you are growing, your mama will tell you to sweep, wash plates, wash clothes. The man, they know they do anything. They go say, make the man play ball. Maybe even some family, the man go fetch water. Some, the one no go even fetch water. Now the woman go still fetch water. If you want talk, your mama go say no. Don't you know you are a woman? African woman, una they try you. If you don't grow up, you want to go out, your mother go say you be woman, don't go out. Now that man, now the boy, now he go out. The man go out. Boy go out. They go out, do some other things. As a woman, you go there inside. You no go come out. If you want talk anyhow. Your mama go say, you know say you be woman. I dey say, to be a woman or wawun sobu. To be a woman or when you me. Woman no talk. You no go talk loud. Even when you talk loud, you will not be heard. That's because you are a woman. If you dey your papa house as a woman, your papa don't marry your mama, share property. When your papa share property, you no go put your name because you be woman. The woman, your papa, they say, if you marry, now there you go get property. If your husband go there, buy property, your husband no go put your name. If they ask your husband, go say, you be woman. Why then they say you be woman? To become a woman, or Holocaust. Waiting happen. Woman, I want to tell you, you are a strong being. They do all these things for you to come down. For where? When a woman marry, he go carry belly. In the morning, now he go cook food where your husband go chop before your husband go work. She too go still go her work. When the woman born pikin, nobody go there. Some women before, when they are in labor, they will be preparing for the food they will eat when they give birth. The man no go even cook. They no even sabi cook. They no trainer. The man go say he no sabi cook. He go cook and finish. When the woman born, now the woman go still carry the baby. And now the man where they marry a nice senior ramo, they go say that man no go fit, he don't know how to carry baby. Now pikin where we say he marry, where still baby. Now he sabi carry baby. Now you go bet baby. They go say husband no sabi bet baby. Why? Woman, na problem. Why is it like this? This is the question I want you to answer me on the comment section. To be a woman, is it a problem? Or have we made it to become a problem just to be a woman? Women, I want to tell you, you are a strong being. Yes, you are strong. This woman go born another baby girl. He go start to the trainer. They sit and down. They say, oh yeah. Sometimes the boy go jump up for they go, when he don't finish, pour water, they go say, make his sister go clean her. Woman is a strong being. When you marry your husband, when that man made mistake for family, they go say, na woman. Woman, now you cause, now you make this man, they misbehave. That's what they go talk about. Why is it that everything that is bad is what they refer woman? Or everything that is wrong is what they refer woman? When your husband don't get money where if he like, he go outside, go they talk another woman. If you talk, the whole kindred go say, you be woman. Why you they report your husband? Woman, you don't get right to report your husband. But your husband get right to report you. Why? I want you to answer me on the comment section. Love, Ada.